Hello and welcome to how to grow strawberries from fruit seeds. The first step is to pick the seeds from a strawberry. I have bought a punnet of seeds from my local store and have selected a healthy one for its seeds. The seeds are the yellow pips on the surface of the strawberry. I'm using a cocktail stick to remove them. When you've finished removing all that you need, put them onto a paper towel and dry them out. I've got about 20 here, which should be more than enough to give me some plants. Step 2. Place the seeds in the refrigerator for a period of 4 weeks. First, place a little sand in a plastic bag. Next, tip in the seeds that you collected earlier. Next, give them a good mixing to distribute them evenly throughout the sand. Add a little water, just enough to dampen the sand but not to make it soaking wet. Seal the bag and place it in the refrigerator. This refrigeration process is called cold stratification. It fools the seeds into thinking they've had a cold, dormant winter period. Leave the seeds for at least 4 weeks. Step 3. At the end of the 4-week period, remove the seeds from the refrigerator. Step 4. Place the seeds into a tray. I'm using the fruit punnet that I bought the strawberries in. It's important that it has drainage holes. Half fill the tray with compost. I've added a paper towel at the bottom to stop the compost washing away through the drainage holes. Gently press down the compost to remove any air pockets and then give the compost a watering. Next, tip the sand and seed mixture on top of the compost. Try to spread it out evenly across the surface. Now cover the tray with a thin plastic film. We don't cover the seeds with compost as they need light to germinate. Here you can see the seeds sitting on the surface of the sand. Place the tray on a warm, sunny windowsill. Step 5. Within a couple of weeks the seeds will start to germinate. A root will grow from the seed and down into the compost. And within a week or 2, seedlings with leaves will appear. Step 6. Remove the plastic film from the tray. Keep warm, watered and in a sunny position, and the plants will begin to grow. Step 7. When the plants have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into their own pots. Here I've filled a tray with compost. Water the compost and then use your finger or thumb to make an indentation in the centre of each pot. Now water the small strawberry plants before we transplant them. Hold the plant by its leaf and try to remove as much root as possible with it. Place in the hole in the compost and then gently press the compost around the roots. Now water each plant to establish it into position. Step 8. Keep the plants warm and watered and in a sunny position, and they will soon begin to grow into large strawberry plants. I'm keeping these indoors over winter, and I'm going to plant them into my garden for some delicious fruit next year. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel where there are a lot more gardening videos. Thank you and goodbye.